Hello, I'm Dr. S.M. Raju, a former IAS officer and the inventor of herbal formulations, developed over 35 years of research for treating incurable diseases. I have successfully tested these formulations on thousands of diabetes patients. My research article published in an international pharmaceutical journal. In our treatment protocol, insulin should be reduced by 50% of the evening dose by the third day, and within 1 month, patients may be able to stop insulin completely. The treatment principle is that food is medicine. Most cereals like millets, rice, wheat, jowar, etc. contain around 70% of carbohydrates, that's sugars. And for effective healing, one should consume no more than 25% of these products till they are getting healed. Please disseminate this information to the entire community so that they can enjoy the life without any insulin or tablets. Thank you.